Third, leave granted, implement and intervention applications are allowed. The issue which arises for consideration in these appeals lies within a narrow campus and is crisp. One, though at the same time it is of seminal importance for the parties before us. It relates to the rule of preservation of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the promotion in the officer grade scale in the appellant banks. There is no dispute that the appellant banks, which are statutory public sector banks, are following the applicable guidelines of the central government pertaining to reservation of SC and ST employees insofar as their promotion from clerical grade to officer grade is concerned. The question is to be answered is as to whether there is any reservation in the promotions from one officer grade scale to another grade scale when such promotions are made on selection basis. As per the appellant banks, there is no rule of reservation for promotion in the class A to the post scales having basic salary of more than rupees 5,700, and in the relevant instructions issued in the form of office memoranda, only a concession is provided in the manner officers belonging to SC/ST category are to be considered for promotion. To put it otherwise, the position taken by the banks is that there is no rule of reservation for promotions and the candidature of these officers belonging to these categories for promotion is to be considered on the basis of relaxed standards. The respondents who are SC/ST employees, unions of the appellant banks or individuals belonging to such categories dispute the aforesaid stand taken by the banks. According to them, the circular issued by the central government expressly provides for such a reservation. It is interesting to note that for taking their respective positions, both the parties rely upon OM dated 13/8/1997 issued by the central government. Thus, outcome of these appeals would depend upon the interpretation that is to be accorded to the said office memorandum dated 13/8/1997. As the banks are in appeal against the judgment of High Court of Judicature at Madras rendered on 9/12/2009, whereby number of writ appeals were disposed of, it can clearly be discerned that insofar as High Court is concerned, its interpretation to the aforesaid circular has gone in favor of the SC/ST employees. Before we revert to the fulcrum of the issue and give our answer thereto, we deem it apposite to recapitulate in brief the historical facts which have led to the present list. As already noted above, the appellant banks, which are statutory banks and public sector undertakings, have been following the reservation policy of the Government of India as issued by the government from time to time. For doing so, the promotion policy of each of such bank makes a specific provision in this behalf. It is also a matter of common knowledge that Ministry of Finance, Government of India is the nodal ministry for framing policy on reservations for financial institutions of the banks. To give an example, Regulation 1.1 of the promotion policy for officers of UCO bank makes such a provision in the following manner.